Well, hello everybody. Super excited for this spring's workshop. I'm Patricia, and I would like to show you just a few items of what we're going to be doing in this workshop. So we are going to be making totems, and I love totems. They always tell a story, and they're just special to me. And I believe everybody has a story to tell. So anyways, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be working on wood panels, and you can choose any size, whatever that you want. That's totally up to you. And we're going to be using like polymer clay pieces in it, if you can see that, and then some various fabrics. This piece right here, I found at a garage sale, was a belt that I cut apart, and I just absolutely love. I use it in a lot of my work. Anything Rusty finds, anything, whatever means something to you. It could be collage. If you have like collage papers you want to incorporate, you certainly can do that. And that's just kind of what I've done here with various methods. And then I have another one here. And again, a lot of different various elements on every one of them. This one, I have tons of molds that I will be bringing, so you can bring some if you want to as well. Otherwise, I have plenty. And beads, any beads that you want to add to yours, you certainly can. I will be bringing a lot of fabric, so if you have any special fabric you want in these, go ahead and bring them. Otherwise, I will have plenty with me. So, and that's some of my other fabrics that I made down there. And then this one here, and this one's a little bit like a shorter, wider one. Like I said, it doesn't matter, whatever size or however you want with your wood. But again, polymer clay, I had, like I said, plenty of molds. Just about anything you can find. Go thrift shopping, whatever. Your wood doesn't have to be expensive wood. It can be, I even went to Habitat for Humanity, and I got wood for very cheap there. So kind of keep your eye out for that kind of stuff too, to cut down costs. And then the hanging, I will also help you with that too as well. So I will be bringing all that hardware along, so don't worry about that. And on top of that, we are going to be making pendants, so that you can kind of incorporate that if you wish with your totem. And it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm super excited and can't wait to see you all. So